from the evolution of stitches, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful crochet stitch, very suitable for beginners. And this stitch is ideal if you would like to crochet scarves, gloves, blankets or sweaters, because it's completely reversible. As you can see, this is how the stitch looks when you use an acrylic yarn. And here I have a sample of the same stitch when you use mesmerized cotton yarn. This is going to be a summer top which I'm going to crochet in this stitch, so please stay tuned if you would like to crochet the summer top. For this tutorial I'm going to use this 100% acrylic yarn and the appropriate hook, but of course you can use any yarn you prefer and the appropriate hook. So the first thing we need to do is to crochet our foundation row of chains. Please crochet your chains the way you prefer. You just need to know that you should crochet a multiple of 2 for your foundation row. So I'm going to crochet a multiple of 2 and I'm going to meet you then. Here I am again. I have crocheted 14 chains, and now what I'm going to do is to skip the first chain. This does not count as a chain. The loop which is on my crochet hook does not count as a chain, so I will skip the first chain, and then I am going to insert my hook here and create a single crochet stitch. So I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. This is my first single crochet stitch, and now on the same chain of the foundation row I'm going to crochet a double crochet stitch. So yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 and yarn over and pull through the second 2. So now I have crocheted my first Suzette stitch. Now I am going to skip the next chain and I am going to work on this chain. So here I am going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops, and I have a single crochet stitch. Now I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and yarn over and pull through the second 2, and I have created my second Suzette stitch. Again, I'm going to skip the next chain. I'm going to insert my hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through. So I have 2 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through both loops and create a single crochet stitch, and yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. So the logic behind it is that because we crochet 2 stitches into every other chain, then we skip one in order to have the same number of stitches when we finish our row. So please continue crocheting until you are at the last chain of your row. Here I am at the last chain of my row. I have skipped the previous chain, so now I have inserted my hook and I am going to crochet a single crochet stitch. In this last chain, I'm not going to crochet a double crochet stitch. I'm just going to crochet only the single crochet stitch because this will give me straight edges. So now I have finished my first row, and what I am going to do is to chain one. This you can do here or after you turn your work. Then I'm going to turn my work to the left, and I'm going to continue working on my second row. And what I am going to do is to crochet one single crochet stitch and one double crochet stitch into every single crochet stitch of the previous row. Here I have a single crochet stitch, so I am going to insert my hook, yarn over and pull through 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through the both loops. Now I'm going to work a double crochet stitch, so yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. So I have created this the Suzette stitch of the second row. Now I need to skip a stitch. This stitch is the double crochet stitch which I am going to skip, and I know because the double crochet stitches are bigger, higher I mean, and they have a bigger space here, so I'm going to work my Suzette stitch into this one, into the single crochet stitch. So insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Now again I'm going to skip the double crochet stitch, and I'm going to work into the single crochet stitch of the previous row. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the other 2 loops. And I continue in the same way until I reach the end of this second row. Please meet me at the end of the second row. Here I'm almost at the end of my second row. There is one double crochet stitch of the previous row and a single crochet stitch of the previous row, and here you should be extra careful because you wouldn't like to skip this last one, because if you do you won't have straight edges. Also here into this last single crochet stitch we are going to work a single crochet stitch only. And now again we are going to chain one, turn our work and start doing the same thing. So here we have a single crochet stitch, so we are going to insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops, and in this way we created a single crochet stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over, pull through the other 2 loops, and we created a double crochet stitch. Then we have a double crochet stitch of the previous row which we are going to skip, and we are going to work here into the single crochet of the previous row and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, pull through the second 2, and we have finished one more Suzette stitch, and we continue in the same way. So again we skip the double crochet stitch, we insert our hook into the single crochet stitch of the previous row, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the second 2 loops. Here again we skip the double crochet stitch, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the other 2 loops. And again we skip one, we insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the other 2 loops. Skip the double crochet stitch, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the other 2 loops. And again I'm at the end of the 3rd row. Here again I have this double crochet stitch and the single one, so I skip the double and into the single I just crochet a single crochet stitch, and as you can see I crochet the Suzette stitch. This is how it looks if we crochet a big project. I think it's a fantastic stitch. Please subscribe to my channel in order to see this summer top that I am crocheting at the moment. I hope you liked my video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up. So this is what the Suzette stitch looks like. I think it's really pretty, and you can do it in many projects because it's, as I said again, it's reversible, so you can use it in anything you like. So I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to keep up to date with my latest video. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Until then, think positive. Bye for now.